Hello and welcome to this episode of Ultima's UiQ TV. My name is Ryan Andrews and I'm here today with Don Melly, Head of Cloud at Ultima. Hi,
Thank you very much.
I'm also here with Darren Sharp, Azure GTM Lead.
Hey Ryan.
Hi there, Darren. So, to lead into this conversation, Darren, what are some of the key drivers behind the Azure Marketplace?
So, the Azure Marketplace is there to help customers innovate with software and, maybe more importantly, manage this transition from a very complex world of traditional software vendors into this world of digital natives and elastic delivered software. And that's where Ultima come in.
So Don, why Ultima in this conversation?
Darren has set me up beautifully for this. 35% of SaaS application licensing is wasted. Research has shown it time and time again, the sprawl that has happened when purchasing from ISVs has become intolerable to larger organizations especially, but that's even worse for smaller ones. Ultima have always had an approach to license purchasing where we're looking to optimize the states for our customers. We're trying to make it as cost viable as possible. We're trying to give them a great business case to continue investing in their technology. And that starts by reducing wastage. So there's a lot in the market at the moment around being that trusted advisor. What that actually means is to help our customers invest as wisely as possible. So when you reach out to our licensing team, we're going to be talking to you around where you're purchasing your licenses, what the route to market is, and we're going to look to try and optimize that estate down to the most rational position for your organization to minimize that wastage so you can reinvest that saving elsewhere to innovate and drive your business further forwards. And ultimately what we're going to do is going to try and find the best route to market for you in that as well. So that purchasing route, the Azure Marketplace, gives us another great vector to come through and help you guys, our customers, to optimize that estate, get the best value for money.
And that's the key here, right? You mentioned a few things there, and Ultima can come in, we can translate all of these things for the end customer, and that is the value that we can come in and give to them, which I think is really, really important. The industry is ever changing. Digital transformation is a real thing, and that's where Ultima can be a trusted partner, a trusted advisor, right? And make these changes to the end customer. There is also one thing I would like to add as well is Ultima have been working with Microsoft for 25 years. We're a solution partner. We've got specializations in the world of Azure in infrastructure and database. So we have a level of credibility, right? And building our partnership with Darren, building an internal strategy with yourself, Don, we can really leverage and come together holistically as a power, and that's where the real value gets out to our customers. So Darren, is there any more value behind that?
Yeah, I think there really is. You've both made some fantastic points there as to the value that Ultima can add here. And let me amplify that by saying there's a dynamic in the way our joint customers are consuming software that means they require value in the features of the software they're buying a lot earlier on in that sales cycle. And that's leading to this automated delivery. They're actively searching for software as a service that delivers high business value up front. Now, Dom, to your point, that SaaS sprawl, that over licensing of those products, there's some real agility and control that Ultima can bring here to our joint customers. And that's the real value, I think, as a partnership, we can bring to our joint customers here to help them make sense of this world of their very traditional software vendors that have run their business for many years and these digital natives, net new, very elastic type software organizations.
Very, very good point there, Darren. I really appreciate the value behind that. It's been great having you here today. Thank you.
Thanks for having me, Ryan.
Dom, it's been a pleasure having you here today as well.
Pleasure as always.
And thank you for watching today.